Okay, hello, welcome. You're here with Legacy Flat Roofing. We're here today on a job. It's a pretty nice job. It's a unique job. We get a lot of calls for stuff like this where it's a porch. You have some wood railing around. The size isn't too big, but it definitely takes a lot of work and takes a lot of thought process to make sure the detailing around the posts, and basically we want to make sure obviously that we're watertight. So I'll show you the job. Like I said, we get a lot of calls for stuff like this. So I'll basically show you how you can get it done if you feel like you can tackle a job like this on your own. So again, we have an existing roof. It's past its life cycle. Not a problem. That's just part of the roofing business. And we're here to fix it. So again, we're going to put a new sopaboard on top. So our details on this job is wood posts that we're not going to remove. We're going to save the client some money, leave them in place, and seal around them. Make sure they get nice watertight. And also some brickwork on the side. Make sure we watertight that. So we had to remove, in this case, we had to remove the metal drip along the edge. You can see that on the other side of this post to give it a nice clean look when we're done. We want to make sure when you're looking from the ground, it's a nice, clean, smooth finish. So I'll show you around the job. We're going to start putting some sopaboard cut around the posts, and I'll bring you back when we got our sopaboard down and give you basically a new substrate, something we can build on top of. So thanks, hope you like it, hope you enjoy something, and hope you learned something. So here we go. Okay, we're back. We finished putting on, we had to clean up the roof. It was pretty dirty, pretty muddy. We had to shave it in some areas to make it nice and flush. What we've done now, we put on the sopaboard, give it a brand new substrate for the new roofing to go on. So you can see it was a little bit tricky, a little bit detailed. We had to work around the posts. This is the detail we're working with on this job. Pretty simple, pretty basic procedure. So basically now, instead of ripping off the old roof, what we've done for the client, we've saved them thousands of dollars and kept the old roof and put a new substrate on. It's definitely something we highly recommend, especially a job like this. We can keep the cost low, save the client some money, put a new substrate. We did check the plywood, make sure it wasn't rotten or molded or anything like that, so we opened it up in some areas. It turned out okay, so we just put the new sopaboard on top. We're going to prime it, put a base sheet, and work from there. So that's where we're at. We're doing well. We're making some good time, so we'll bring you back when we start putting some base sheet down. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the project. I think it turned out wonderful. A lot of the details, the all sand flashing of the brick tie-in and the wood columns really turned out great. I think the client's going to be really happy. I'll show you what the job turned out like. So there you go. You remember the old roof, and now you see the final roof. Now I'll show you these details here. This is basically a polyurethane paint out application, and what's good about that, it goes around curbs and goes around round details. Like to put flashing like that around a column, which is going to take a lot of time, you're also not going to get it sealed exactly the way you want it. So in this application, turned out wonderful. We had 3, 6, we almost had 7, 8. We had 8 different columns. So time wise, price wise for the client, everything really turned out nice. So you can see the detail we finished along the brick. We have a nice tie-in, same application there, and really closes the project up nicely. So that's it. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Hope you like the job. It really turned out nice. Saved the client tons of money. Really beautiful job in my opinion. So legacyroofs.com. Look us up online. If you want to call us or email us at info@legacyroofs.com. Thank you very much. Hope you liked it. Thanks guys.